The SolidWorks costing tool helps you calculate how much it costs to manufacture sheet metal, machined, and multi-body parts by automating the cost estimation and quotation process. Costing works by storing manufacturing and material information in customizable templates that drive the costing tool to determine the manufacturing costs. In the templates, you can specify the material used to create the part, the manufacturing process such as laser cutting, bending, or milling, and the associated costs of these materials and manufacturing operations. The templates also let you create custom operations such as painting or welding. The center portion of this guard is calculated using a sheet metal template. Setup costs of $20 are divided over the lot size of 5, and laser cutting costs are calculated for each feature based on the perimeter of cut. The bends are calculated from the template based on material and thickness of the sheet. The side plates are calculated using a machining template. As with the center portion, the setup costs are calculated for each operation, and the drilling operation includes cost associated with the time it takes to load and unload the part from the machine. The cost to water jet the outer shape is calculated based on the material, thickness, and length of cut, and the drilling costs are calculated for each hole based on the material and depth of cut. Whenever you change a design, you can see the new updated cost immediately, along with the detailed cost breakdown. Additionally, you can generate automatic cost reports. The SolidWorks costing tool helps designers make decisions based on the cost to manufacture and helps manufacturers create quotes for customers.